What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW. And today I'm going to show you how to analyze stocks from the pre-market, find stocks to trade, and then plan it out so you know what you're going to do when the market opens. Check it out. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump into this video here. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you exactly how I prepare for pre-market. So the first thing I do was when I step into the morning, I open up my trade idea scanners. These trade idea scanners, they're going to show me my gappers, and then as the market opens, new high of day, and then leading winners and losers here on these scans right here. So the very first thing I look at is my gappers. Okay, I want to see what's gapping, and then I want to see why they're gapping. Right, these trade idea scanners, you can find a link in the description section below to the trade ideas, along with a coupon code for you guys, 15% off. You'll see it right there. They also have a free version that you can check out. So it's that same link, just click it and you can go ahead and check everything out. Now, as far as what I do, the very first thing I do is I take a look at my leading gappers. Here is one from yesterday. Okay, this is one from yesterday. In after hours, I made a big move. So now that I know this one is up a lot, I want to know why. I don't want to just to be popping off with no reason, right? So the very first thing I'll do is I'll go ahead and grab Yahoo Finance. I make it very simple. Don't need to complicate this process at all. I just go to Yahoo Finance and I check out on the news. So Yahoo Finance. And here we are. So I'll come over here to Yahoo Finance. Boom. We're going to go ahead and type ISR. I build out my watch list, and then we put it out on the daytraderchatroom.com dashboard for all our members. Okay, here you'll see my watch list, moderator's watch list, which is Kevin, and you'll see our game plan for the day. Okay, so that's what you can see there. You can also join us for just $5 for 5 days access. You're going to get access to your dashboard with access to a few of the resources we have, so you can take a look and get to understand what we offer. The rest is obviously for the full-time members. You'll also have access to a special course just for you and access to the chat room. So you'll get the daily watch list, many of our resources, and the course plus the chat room for just $5 for 5 days. So you got to check that out. Link in the description and in the comment section below. So now I'll come over here. I see ISR. It's up today 196%. Wow. And C4 Imaging announces serious positive signal MRI marker given FDA 510K clearance. Okay, so we got FDA news there on their marker. Okay. So now we know why the stock has moved how it's moved. The next thing I want to find out is what's the float. The float is 86 million. It's way higher than I usually like to trade. However, this is a cheap stock, so it's not a terrible float. The stock can still move around nicely. It is up a lot on the day. So I would like to also keep that in mind. We have big volume in pre-market, bigger than yesterday's. Well, just about bigger than yesterday. Some of it's just about bigger than yesterday's after-hour action. So the next step is we want to go ahead and find resistance and support lines. So I bring out my daily chart, and the very first thing I do is scroll back, right? I'll scroll back some and identify some levels. So now here we see we have some tops here at $1, okay, between $1 to $1.05. And we scroll a little bit further back, we see some more tops here in that range. So that's one line. Now we are quite a ways away from $1. So I wouldn't expect this stock to come from $1.50 all the way back down to $1. That's a huge, massive move. And I think it would weaken the stock. So we're going to go ahead and look further up. We see more tops here. Okay, more tops here. And here. And that is at $1.20. That is a more respectable area that I would like to see it pull back to, maybe hold some support. The next level we see is up here, is at $1.30. And it coincides with this top and these bottoms here. See if we can zoom in here a little bit and see those a little bit more clear. So there you go. Boom. Okay. So there you go. You got these tops. Wait, where did it go? There we go. So you got these tops right in here, sorry, right in here. Okay, so you got these tops right in here with these bottoms that were previous support, okay? And if we keep scrolling back, we notice we have more tops up here at $1.60, a lot of them, okay? So now we know that $1.60 is going to be some potential resistance. If we come over here to the intraday chart on the pre-market, where have we found some resistance? We have found some resistance at $1.85 so far in pre-market. And if we come up here, we're going to see some tops at $1.85 right here. Boom. See these right here? That's $1.85. Tops, 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 some bottoms. Okay. You have some more tops here at $1.85. Some more tops here at $1.85. All right. So you see a lot of $1.85 resistance. So you can see that this stock has a lot of resistance between $1.60 and at this point between $2.10 or so. Now, if we keep scrolling back, we'll see that. Hey guys, just wanted to let you know for 5 days, just $5, you're going to get access to the chat room. You're going to get access to a course made just for you, a dashboard, okay, with many of our resources available to you, as well as more that you can see that we will offer you once you're a full-time member. You also get access to the trade idea scanners and our screen share and alerts in chat. So make sure to check that out. Link in the description section and in the comment section. Also, Webull, you download the app, fund your account with $100, and you get 4 free stocks currently. That's in the description section and comment section, as well as trade ideas, 15% off coupon code down there with my link. Make sure to check those out. We have some tops in the $2.80 range, all right, in 250s, but a breakthrough 210 or so could send the stock right at $3. Okay, that's what I would see here, and that's how I would plan that trade in pre-market. Well, not to trade it in pre-market, just trading, establishing my trade plan when the day opens. The levels I'm looking out for. That's what I would be looking out for right there. Now I would continue on down the list. See what else we have there. We have the CHNG. We have ACB, which is Aurora Cannabis. So we have ACB. Okay, this stock right here has gapped up. We have Kern, which is also popping up there. Okay, we have Hexo. Hexo is another one that's moving along. But what we want to look at is these floats. As you can tell, as far as all these small caps go, nothing is a low float really, except for maybe Kern. Everything else is pretty big float, okay? So if you notice, there's a theme here. There's not a lot of low float, small cap movers here. I trade everything. So the next one that I'm going to look at, which made a big move yesterday, is Tesla. And as you can see, Tesla yesterday from after hours to today has pushed up to new all-time highs. Obviously, this is just after hours action and pre-market action. So the bell would have to ring here in order for this to establish as a new all-time high. The all-time high is up here in the 740s, okay? So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to look and see if Tesla gives me either an intraday new support zone that it sets up, or if it pulls back down there to the 740s area for a potential bounce play. That's what I would do for Tesla here, okay? That would be my plan on Tesla, as it looks like it's going to be establishing new all-time highs today. Now, what else is there to watch? Well, I would look at some of yesterday's runners. Yesterday's runner was NCTY. It had a real nice move. And let's go ahead and scroll this back some. Here you see NCTY. And where did I get these levels from? Very simple. Come back over here to the daily again. And you see these tops here at $9. All these tops, all these bottoms. Okay. You see all these bottoms in that $9 area. So I would expect that to hold support. Okay, I would expect that to hold some support with a bottom support down here at $8.15 in front of $8. And once again, you just come back to your daily here and you see all these previous tops here at $8. Tops, tops, top, a top right here, another top right here, which is previous high. I'm sorry, the day before yesterday's high. Okay, the day before yesterday's high was $8. And if we scroll back down, look, we see another bottom right here in front of that $8 area. So we know that that level is important. Where did it find support yesterday? Right here at $8. So between $9 to $8, I want to see this hold support for a shot to see if it's finally going to come back up here and test, at $10 area. If it does test that $10 area, we could potentially see a nice pop to 12 bucks, which is, these tops right in here. And that would be how I would tailor out that plan. See all these tops here at 12, break over 12, we have plenty of room up here to 1350s. You see these tops, okay? All these tops. So that's exactly how I would plan out my pre-market game plan. All right, now when the bell rings, I want to see these stocks hold these levels. I want to see these stocks have really, really strong volume. And I also will be looking out for other stocks hitting the scanners and any other different type of levels they decide to start holding as support or resistance in the intraday moves. Okay, but ideally, when the bell rings, if these stocks hold the levels I'm looking at that I've panned out already in the pre-market, that generally speaks to a sound trade plan, and it bodes well for the confidence on the potential setups. Now, no setup is going to be correct 100% of the time, of course, but we know that we play the probabilities, and we already have a game plan, which already puts us in a bit of a safe zone, right? If we're wrong, we're going to lose minimal. If we're right, we're going to make money. And that's the whole point of it all. Guys, that's going to conclude this little video lesson here on how to establish your game plan in pre-market. Any questions, please drop them in the comment section below. And remember to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button for me, and hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I upload my next video. I hope to catch you on the next one.